Greetings, programs. Atari here, you there, and this is the controller for the new PlayStation Classic.
This channel is made possible in part by Morning Fame, smarter analytics to simplify YouTube growth. Use the link on your screen right now to get your first month free. And by TubeBuddy, your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Use the affiliate link on your screen to sign up today.
Designed by the original PlayStation there. Just the original Gen 1 controller, no DualShock, no nothing like that. Spent a lot of hours playing games on this one, like Blast Chamber, Ridge Racer. Oh gosh, what else did I play? Crash Bandicoot, all that stuff. So we're going to take a peek under the hood here and see what we're looking at. Of course, this one is a USB. I like this little bit that makes it look like it's the original controller plug there. That's a nice touch. I like the little design features. You know, the game selection's not that great. It's all right. It's not what I played as a kid, but it is a good selection of games. But I would rather have more of the JRPGs and things like that that really exemplified the PlayStation for me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number 00 crosshead screws, and we're just going to go ahead and take them all out. I'm just going to see what kind of a board is in here. This is part of a continuing series I'm doing on the PlayStation Classic. We're going to tear it down, take a look at the parts, and then as the hacking scene works their magic, I am staying on top of all that. And once this is good to go, I will be presenting you with a solution to get this thing to the point where you might be able to play something more akin to what you played as a kid. Especially with the PAL versions of games, like, I mean, come on. I understand there's probably technical reasons they did that, but it could have been better than that. Oh, anyway, alright, so we've got that done. There we go. Alright, there she is. Okay, there's our number 2 buttons. They're just right in here. So just gently slide there. A couple of membrane buttons right there. Membrane buttons here on top. And this is it. This is the board. Let's see. So it looks like it's just a set of membrane buttons. Oh, it's clipped in. Clipped in there. And clipped in right here. I want to be careful with this because I don't want to like pull it out and lose my button placement and all that good stuff. This is the cord here. This is funny. The cord is just a micro USB. That's very interesting here. So side A, so this is another two-sided board. It's a CN700 mark on it. And our chip is a 831AZOB, 10 KBC. I don't really want to go too much further with this. It's just the probably, there we go. Let's pop that out. All right, let's see. Hold on to your butts. Yeah, that's it. So there you go. It's just a set of membrane switches right here. Let's see if we can get a little more. Rocking out on a Thursday evening here in Fullerton, California. So there it is. It's just a set of membrane switches, just very easy contact switches, resistive switches. So that's that part. And of course your pads there underneath, and the D-pad has a nice little little bit holding it all, little membrane that holds it all together. Let's see if we can get up underneath. Got a couple of clips here holding this guy down. So I can get that. That's just really hard to get up there. I don't want to break this board either. Yeah, there's nothing really on the back here. Just the part number LC-11. That's it. That's all that's on there. And just where it connects to the membrane up there. So let's just go ahead and put this guy back together. That's pretty much it for the PlayStation Classic controller. That's pretty much it there. So just a simple USB controller. Oh, there is another programming port right here, and I wonder if there's anything that can be done there. I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know. In the meantime, social media is right over here. Subscribe down here. Watch the whole playlist. See that everything start to finish and as things go along. And then down here is the newsletter. Go ahead and subscribe to that. Let you know all the cool stuff that's going on here around the shop and all the different projects. My name is Atari, and until next time, tally ho, y'all.